So, Professor Lowne's Adrian Hobbs, for your work in the EVC back in the 1990s that has had such a powerful impact on occupant safety, both here in the UK and in Europe and now across the world, we're delighted to present this award to TRL, but in recognition of your contribution. Thanks very much. So Global NCAP is very pleased to be presenting this award to the Transport Research Laboratory. It's a Road Safety Legacy Award, and it's particularly to recognise the work of these two distinguished gentlemen, particularly from when they were involved in the EVC working group that led to the development of the Offset Deformable Crash Test. That came into law in Europe on 1st of October 1998. It's had a huge impact both in regulation and with NCAPs, improving occupant protection in Europe. Huge contribution to reducing deaths and serious injuries on the roads. But even more significant, it's now also the benchmark for regulation and for NCAPs around the world. There are now about 50 countries worldwide applying the Offset Deformable Barrier in their regulations. So it's been a huge contribution to improve vehicle safety, not just in Britain, not just in Europe, but around the world. So a very distinguished pair of gentlemen contributing hugely to road safety.